Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing reverse hypers on a stability ball. When we do these are amazing lower back exercise. When we do these, we're going to roll out onto our stability ball, supported with our hands, and at this point, my legs, they can dangle off the back of the ball. We are going to initiate by kind of pushing down and really aiming to get the legs up as high as they can go. We're working a lot of low back by doing this exercise, squeezing through our glutes to get our legs up as high as they can to strengthen the muscles of the lower back. So for more posterior chain and core exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.